Meet your new Singer tailor-made household straight stitch machine. Your powerful and cute stitching partner for the daily household sewing, quick repairs and everyday stitching. Looks small, but it is big on performance. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. In the box, you will find your Singer tailor-made machine. Bobbins, threads, needle threader, needle, foot pedal, adapter, and extension table. Everything you need to get started on your sewing journey. Now, let's set it up. Setting it up is super simple. Just plug in, thread it, and you're good to go. It's time to stitch. TailorMade comes with a metallic bobbin with magnetic bobbin holder that keeps stitching smooth and tangle-free. You can use it by hand or with the foot pedal, whichever feels comfortable. For extra comfort and support, just attach the extension table and expand your workspace. And with both forward and reverse stitching, your seams stay neat and strong every time. A precise LED light focuses near the needle, illuminating your stitch zone for flawless sewing. Lock stitch mechanism ensures strong, long-lasting seams for every fabric. And when you are done, just cut the thread. No scissors needed. Offers 3 stitch length and works on inverter with a powerful 12-volt DC motor. TailorMade runs smoother and handles more load than locals. Why is Singer TailorMade different from others? While the LED light keeps every stitch clearly visible. With smooth, jam-free performance, you work without interruptions. Add the extra space of an extension table and a precision of metallic bobbin, and you have a machine that truly stands apart. Let's see it in action. Perfect for everyday stitching. It fixes school uniform, neat and hassle-free. Ideal for home and hobby stitching. It handles jeans hemming, smooth and effortless. From mending clothes to adding creative touches to your clothes, TailorMade makes stitching effortless. A compact powerhouse for your day-to-day quick fixes, sewing and stitching. So whether you are a beginner, a homemaker or someone who simply loves to sew, TailorMade makes every stitch simple, fast and fun. Singer TailorMade household straight stitch machine. Compact, convenient, powerful. Bring yours home today.